Not only am I foreign, so I stand out anyway, and then I pull out camera and then people think, what the hell is this guy doing? And we're back. How did you get here before me, man? Angles, look at the angles. Good morning guys, welcome to Istanbul, or should I say Blackburn. Look at this. What is this, man? Pissing it down as well. Yeah, weather is definitely changing out here, man. When I came the first time a month ago, it was sunny. Now, yeah, winter's coming here. But yeah, we're back in Istanbul for a couple of days, and today I thought I'd show you how I stay in shape whilst traveling. Most of my vlogs recently been traveling vlogs, so I thought why not go back to the fitness, show you my training and eating and what my diet is currently looking like. And yeah, so I'm just early morning now, about 11ish. Gonna head to the gym. It's a leg workout today, so I'll record that. Not recording my workouts in a while, to be honest as well. So yeah, first I'm gonna try grab a snack or something to get some energy before the workout. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Like the video and subscribe, and let's get the vlog started. Oh my days, pissing it down. So gym's about 20 minutes away. Keep in mind how much walking I do, yeah? I'll talk about it at the end of the video. So yeah man, I don't think I need a hood in Istanbul. The temperature is not bad, it's not cold, it's just wet. It's miserable. But yeah, I'll see you in the gym. Oh, I bloody made it. Fucking hell. Pissing wet through, man. Over here, it was about 20 lira, so about 2 quid for the day. Not bad. I've had worse. The other one was about 6 quid a day, man. But anyway, I picked up a few snacks on the way. I'll show you, just quick carbs. Quick film this clip, man. I had to wait for 5 minutes for people to get out. Got no, I can't even call it protein shake anymore. Just milk, chocolate milk. And then like a Mars bar type, Turkish style. Quick, easy, 20-30 carbs, and then yeah, 6-7 gram protein. Have this quickly, then start the leg workout. Someone walks in now, look at this. Man, we're making it. Not bad gym, decent. Squats time. And that's gym done. There it is, just behind me. Not gonna lie, my strength has gone weak since I've been traveling. I was squatting, I think 110, 120 back in Blackburn, but now we're hitting about 70, 80 just about. I knew with my traveling and not eating, eating whenever and eating more or less whatever I want, my training would take a bit of a hit, but it's alright. Still worth it, still looking in good nick. That's all that matters. Strength is more of a secondary for me. I'd rather look good and look athletic than lift heavy and not look as good. But yeah, gym done. That gym was alright, had minimal equipment, but £2, what could I expect? But yeah, done the job. Gonna head back to the hotel now, get ready, and I'll probably catch you meal number 1. So we have some local spot which I've been coming for a couple of times. Nice food, cheap as well, and people are also sound as well. It's from Algeria, I think. And yeah, so I ordered 2 wraps, one with chicken, one with beef. Decent amount of protein, decent amount of carbs. Yeah, I'll show you when it comes. I'll show you around the place. Decent size chicken, beef, let's get stuck in.
Is good? No problem.
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube, yes.
Very good. That's it, the spot should keep me going for like a couple of hours now. Good thing is at least the rain stopped now. Still cloudy, but at least we're not getting wet. So I was just walking back and then I come across this park. Let's check it out. Got a quick strawberry sundae, light snack. Keep me going till the next meal.
Bir kontrol et.
Thank you, brother.
Hadi güle güle abi.
Good, thank you. Just picked up my dry cleaning. That's one thing I gotta keep on top of. Otherwise, it just piles up in my room, and then, boy, you know, I got a full suitcase full of dirty clothes. Thankfully, just one around the corner from where I'm staying, so that came in handy. So yeah, just gonna head back to my room now. And yeah, chill for a bit. And we're back out. You know when you're just in them moods when you're in bed and you can't be asked to move in? That was me. That was me. But finally got out of bed. On the way now to get our second meal and final meal. Only have 2 meals really, and about a 20-minute walk. But yeah, man, Istanbul's busy, man. It's booming. Even with the shit weather. What day is it? Saturday. Oh yeah, Saturday. But still, every day is more or less busy here. And I feel safe. I know Turkey has this concept that, oh, it's dangerous, this and that, but I feel safe, man. I like it. So yeah, another 20 minutes to the place, and then we go feast. So yeah, I'll see you there. See you there, boys. Guys, we're here at Burger Delicacy. Hope I said that right. So I ordered the special burger, more or less a double cheeseburger, and they didn't have nuggets, so I got this. Got what it's called in English. Been in Turkey too long. Starters have arrived. Let's try it. A cheeseburger, chips. Let's give you all a taste test. Spongy. So I'm gonna eat this quickly. There are people here, man. Awkward recording. Catch you in a bit. And we're done from there. That burger, man, telling you, best burger out here, man. Delicious. But yeah, it's very awkward in there, man. Not only am I foreign, so I stand out anyway. And then I pull out camera and then people think, what the hell is this guy doing? Mine, and we film what we had to. So yeah, just come out now. Probably gonna walk 10-15 minutes, digest the food a bit, and then find some dessert. Here we have it, white chocolate waffle. Yeah, man, vanilla ice cream on top. Let's try it out. Nice crunch to it as well. Yeah, man. Here's the white chocolate depot, bananas, banging. All finished, we don't mess about here. That's the place in Fatih, Istanbul. If you want to check it out, I highly recommend. Banging, man, that was really nice. Alhamdulillah, we ate good today, man. Stuffed. So yeah, I'm just gonna head back to the hotel now, and then we'll wrap up this video there. Peace. And we're back. How did you get here before me, man? Angles, got the angles. Get me. Got the angles. Ooh, I feel like I'm pregnant, man, after that waffle. But yeah, I just got back. That was how I stay in shape whilst traveling and like full of eating. They are both. Now you're probably thinking, how the hell are you staying in shape eating like that? I remember at the start of the video I said keep in mind how much I'm walking. So I walked 20 minutes to the gym, 20 minutes back. So I walked about half an hour to the first meal, half an hour back, so that's another hour. And then now this meal, another 40 minutes there and back. So keep in mind that's a lot of walking. Let me just check how much steps I done. Look at that, I done just under 22,000 steps, so I burnt 1,000 calories. And then keep in mind I done a workout as well. And then usually, obviously it's raining today, but usually it's hot weather, so you're sweating more. Excuse me. So my activity levels are much higher here. So a lot of calories are being burnt. Because don't get me wrong, if I was eating like this back home, I would lose my abs, my condition would go straight away just like that. But here it's different. I've been doing it for a couple of weeks, it's working. So why not? I'm not complaining. Yeah, I only had 2 meals, so because of that I could have 2 big massive meals. And now I'm nice and full. So yeah, just got back about 11ish now. Gonna chill for a bit, need to upload the video that's going up tomorrow. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the fitness video and the eating. Let me know if you liked it. I can do this again. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'm malik.95. Trying to grow my following on that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.